Howdy, howdy. It's kind of a sad day. So last night, someone took 3 of our sheep. We really don't know who. Yeah, we're not sure what happened or who took them, but they're gone. We come on. Yeah, we looked all over for them. Just the rams left. 2 ewes and the babies. We found one baby dead. They just killed it, but it wasn't bitten. It was just whacked. Bringing the cows into milk. We're a little late because we were wandering around looking for sheep, but we checked everywhere we could. No sheep.